Most profitable passive income ideas. A monetized YouTube channel, selling online courses, and your affiliate marketing account are 3 of the 8 passive income ideas that have potential to make you up to a few $1,000,000 a year. Unlike a lot of videos and blogs out there, we have come up with a different definition of passive income. This is how I look at passive income, the recursive income for which you invest either time or money up front. Most profitable passive income strategies require you to put both time and money up front. The goal here is to get to a point where you will not have to trade your time for income. The first of the 8 passive income sources is creating an online course. For the first method to make money online, you may want to consider creating and selling an online course. In today's world, there are many opportunities to make money with online courses. And, thanks to the internet, it's now easier than ever to create and sell online courses. If you have expertise in a particular area, or if you're passionate about a certain topic, then creating and selling an online course may be the perfect way for you to make money from home. There are a number of different platforms that you can use to create and sell your online courses. One popular platform is Udemy. Udemy allows you to create and sell your courses for free. And they take a commission on each sale. Another popular platform is Teachable, and Skillshare. The opportunities are endless here. There are many scenarios where you won't find dividend growth stocks as one of the top discussed passive income ideas. Dividend growth stocks are a great way to build wealth over time. By investing in companies that raise their dividends year after year, you can create a stream of income that will grow along with the stock market. Some of these dividend growth companies include the likes of Johnson & Johnson, Apple, Walmart, Target, and Microsoft. If you compare the growth of S&P 500 index and Coke's return over the past decade with dividends reinvested, you will know the power of dividend growth stocks. If you live in a big city or in a metro area, idea number 4 will help you make big money. But before that, let's talk about the infamous affiliate marketing method. Affiliate marketing is a great way to make passive income online. With affiliate marketing, you can make money by promoting other people's products and services. You simply promote other people's products and earn a commission when someone buys through your link. It's a great way to make money online without having to invest. A great number of YouTubers are currently making hundreds of thousands of dollars every year through affiliate links they promote. The 4th method is the one that I think is the most hands-off method of making money passively. This is to rent out your car. Renting out your car on Turo is a great starting point. Turo is a car rental marketplace that connects people who need a car with people who want to rent out their car. There is no limitation on how many cars you want to list for rent, so a lot of people have made this a full-time source of income. You can start on Turo by listing one of your rides, and if it works out well, you can start investing money and add more vehicles to your list for renting. The only caveat here is the continuous maintenance for the vehicles that you own, and this can eat your profits. But people are making up to thousands of dollars just renting out a car, which otherwise could have been a liability instead of an asset. A lot of people these days are working for themselves as consultants. This brings me to discuss the 5th opportunity of making income passively. Starting a consulting business can be a great way to make money, but it's important to set yourself up for success. Here are a few tips for starting and running a consulting business. First, make sure you have a good understanding of the market you're entering and what services you can offer. Do your research and figure out what makes you unique and how you can stand out from the competition. Next, create a business plan and set some goals for yourself and your team. This will help you stay on track and measure your progress along the way. It's also important to get organized and build a good team of experts who can help support your business. Finally, be prepared to work hard and put in the time and effort necessary to make your consulting business successful. You can start off in the consulting business as an independent consultant, and from there start expanding your business, hiring other people at your company. You will make the profit that will be the difference between your employee's salary and the amount you charge your client for your consulting business for that employee. People are making millions of dollars with this business model, and the best part is, you don't have to be actively working for money. YouTube channel monetization is the next idea for passive income. If you're looking to make money with ad revenue, there are a few things you need to keep in mind. First, you need to create original content that is advertiser-friendly. This means that your videos cannot contain copyrighted material, violence, or obscene language. Additionally, you need at least 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers in the past 12 months. There are other methods of YouTube channel monetization as well. I have discussed some of these in my past videos, but the one that stands out the most after ad revenue is affiliate marketing. You can use your YouTube audience in generating affiliate marketing income. Another way of generating passive income while you sleep is by writing an ebook. With an ebook, you can create a product that can be sold over and over again, allowing you to generate passive income from your efforts. To create an ebook that sells well, it's important to choose a topic that is of interest to your target market. Once you've selected a topic, do some research and put together an outline of the information you would like to include in your book. Once your outline is complete, it's time to start writing. I have personally seen writers who wrote a few ebooks and later, when they made it big, they even outsourced the writing part of the business as well. So this method can be 90% on autopilot, making you money while you sleep. But when writing your ebook, be sure to keep it concise and easy to read. Break up your content into short chapters and use headings and subheadings to help readers navigate through the information. Online shop, think of Etsy shop or your own Amazon FBA account. All these can be passive income ideas that can generate you thousands, if not millions, every month. With both of these options, you basically do the work once and then reap the benefits for a long time to come. With Amazon FBA, you ship your products to Amazon and they take care of all of the selling. This is a great option if you're not sure how to get started with selling online or if you don't have the time to manage a shop yourself. With an online Etsy shop, on the other hand, you'll need to put in a bit more work up front, but it can be a really fun and profitable project. You'll need to create a product line, design your shop, and market your products. That's all for this video today. If you liked this video and learned something new, make sure to subscribe to this channel. Check out our other videos as well. Bye for now, till next time.